So let's jump in and I'm going to teach you how to register a domain, how to buy it, how to register it, and get it all connected to your GHL account. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to cloudflare.com. This is where I like to buy my domains from. And so I'm going to put youtubegrowthschool.com. Search. So you're going to search the domain that you want. Here it is. And I'm going to click purchase. Then we've got our payment option, put in all my information and the country that we live in. So I'm going to go through and click pay with PayPal. Okay, we're all set. So now that we've got that, we're going to actually manage the domain. And I want to come into the DNS records. So, and actually, since it's here, we probably don't need to do that. So we're going to come into our account that we're wanting to use for this. We're going to come down to settings. We're going to click on domains. Right here, we're going to click connect to a domain, and we're going to choose the funnel, website, blog, and webinar. And then we're going to put in youtubegrowthschool.com. And we're going to click continue, and it's going to connect to Cloudflare, and it should automatically add those DNS records to Cloudflare. So we're going to authorize, click authorize. And now it's going to ask us to link to a domain or a funnel. Now, if we don't have one already set up because it's a brand new account, then we can come back and link this later. So I'm just going to click proceed to finish because I don't have anything created in here yet. And there we go. We're all connected. This is going to be amazing, and I'm excited to walk you through the next part.